here. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Intel. So a lot of people are interested in working with the core companies. So this is again a core company. So please to watch this video till the end. They are only asking the qualification as BE, BTech or ME, MTech. Okay. So we are going to see all details in this recruitment. So the recruitment is happening from Intel. And the location of job is Bangalore, Karnataka is a location of job. The job category is engineering, that is they are recruiting for engineers, and job type is college graduates. That is you should be a fresher. That is freshers recruitment is this. Okay. Now let us see the job description. So the job description is designs, develops, modifies and evaluates complex analog and mixed signal electronics part. So Intel is mainly focusing on electrical and electronics branch only, right? So again, you should be knowing these, that is, you should be doing these things. That is analyzing, modifying, developing of analog and mixed signal electronic parts, components or ICs for analog and mixed signal electronic equipment and other hardware systems. Okay, so you'll be getting a very clear idea of job description. Now you can see it on the screen, and also I'll be posting this notification link in description, so you can read the job description. Anyway, you should know that it is developing, modifying, designing of electronic components, electronic parts of analog and mixed signal. Okay, so that is a job description. Now let us see the qualification details. The qualification they are asking for is BTech or MTech. That is the qualification they are just saying, but mostly they'll be giving preference to electronics and electrical branch, and also for electrical and electronics and instrumentation. Okay, that is EC, EEE and EI. Mainly these branches they are recruiting, because if you see the job description, you can get an idea that this is a core electronics area job. Okay, so that's all about the qualification details. They have not mentioned any age limit or anything. So just qualification is BTech, MTech. Okay. So that's all about the job details from Intel. They have not mentioned anything regarding the selection process, and also they have not mentioned any other details. Okay. So if you see the job selection process, there is a selection process for freshers. So this is a freshers job, right? So next, let us see the selection process. Since Intel is a core company, more focus will be on the technical and the coding areas. Okay, so the selection process will be initially consisting of an online examination. There is this examination, online examination, which is the first step. Will be having aptitude, reasoning, all those areas, and also your technical subject also. Since this is a core company recruitment, you have to also prepare the core subjects, technical knowledge for the initial MCQ based examination. Then after that, there will be multiple levels of technical interviews, coding test, everything will be there. Okay, so that is the second stage. Then third stage will be HR interview. So this will be the selection process. Mostly all MNCs and core companies do this 3 stages of selection. So that's why here there will be also these stages, since this is a freshers recruitment. Okay, so that's all about the selection process. The application procedure, directly the link of this notification I'll be giving in description. You have to click on the icon called apply. First you have to register with Intel, then apply online. That is the application procedure. You have to fill up all your necessary details, your email ID, phone number, your educational qualification details, everything. And also be ready with your resume, because you have to also attach your resume. So please be ready with your resume before applying. Okay, so that's all about the application procedure. The last date, as I've told, they have not mentioned, and also they have not given any age limit. So there is no fees for applying also. So no fees, no age limit. So you can always try. And also they are not asking for any specific batches of 2019 or 20. So so if you are belonging to whichever batch, you can apply. Okay. Final years, I'm not really sure, but you can always try, because they have not mentioned here regarding final years eligible, but you can always try. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment news from Intel. We have seen all details regarding this recruitment. So if you are interested, please go through the notification detail, and if you think that you are eligible, apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.